Now, exercise 4.3, question number 8. The given fraction is x square plus 1 over x cube plus 1. First of all, we will factorize this denominator because it is a formula according to a cube plus b cube. We will expand this term as a plus b into a square minus a multiplied b plus b square. This is the formula. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we will expand the denominator as x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. So final fraction becomes x square plus 1 over x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Now there are two factors in denominator. First factor is linear and the other is quadratic. So we will write its partial fractions as a over x plus 1 plus bx plus c over x square minus x plus 1. Because this is quadratic, so we will multiply variable with this term plus next term will be added to this. By multiplying equation 1, its LCM, which is x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. We get x square plus 1 equals to a into x square minus x plus 1. Here x plus 1 will be cancelled out. Plus bx plus c will be multiplied by x plus 1 because this time factor x square minus x plus 1 will be cancelled out. Now we get this identity, and by expanding this identity we get x square plus 1 equals to ax square minus ax plus a plus bx square plus bx plus cx plus c. Now we will apply zeros method for linear factor and put here x plus 1 equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 1 in identity. We get minus 1 square plus 1 equals to a into minus 1 square minus into minus 1 plus 1. These are the values of my x. Plus b into minus 1 plus c into minus 1 plus 1. For this time this factor will become 0 and we get only 1 plus 1 equals to a into 1 minus minus plus 1 and plus 1. By adding these three values we get 3a is equals to 2 and 2 by 3 is value of a. Now there is no linear factor, so we will compare the coefficients of x square. We get 1 is equals to a plus b. They are the coefficients of x square in expanded equation. This is the expanded equation. 1 is the coefficient of x square here, a is the coefficient of x square and plus b is the coefficient of x square. So equation becomes 1 is equals to a plus b. 1 is equals to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the value of a plus b. Now 2 by 3 will be shifted here and we get the LCM 3. So numerator is 3 minus 2 by 3 is denominator. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. 1 by 3 is the value of b. Now comparing the coefficients of x, we get 0 is equals to minus a plus b minus c. They are the coefficients of x. 0 is equals to minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the value of a and minus is in the equation. So we get minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, value of b is 1 by 3 minus c. c is unknown here. Now we get minus 2 by taking LCM of these two terms. We get 3 minus 2 plus 1 in numerator divided by 3 minus c equals to 0 here. Now minus 2 plus 1 equals to minus 1 by 3 minus c equals to 0. This minus 3 will be shifted here and we get c equals to minus 1 by 3. Sorry, for this time we will shift c on the other side. C will be shifted on the other side and we get plus c. Plus c is equals to minus 1 by 3. Now all values are minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. We will put the values of A, B and C and get x square plus 1 over x cube plus 1. This is the actual fraction. Its partial fractions will be 2 by 3. A is 2 by 3. 2 will be written in numerator and 3 as denominator. 3 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 3 is the value of B, multiply x plus minus 1 by 3 is C. So 1 by 3 will be taking common and we get 2 by 3 into x plus 1 plus x minus 1 over 3 is common, x square minus x plus 1.